everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to install the thermal camera onto your HMT device. Zoom level 5, record video. Here's the device, and you simply snap it over the camera pod. You have to push a little bit at the end to get the clips over, and there it is mounted next to the camera. Now the cable goes around, and it's nice and short, just enough. First, what you want to do is open up this cover and connect to micro USB. And then we've supplied a cable retainer, which attaches right to the center of the rear, just like that. Now you're ready to go with the new thermal camera. Stop recording.